Our application is a game called FreeCell. It's an Android app. The game starts with all 52 cards in the deck laid out in 8 columns in the main game area, and we made this with a 2D array. We used a random number generator and some supporting algorithms to lay these cards out differently every game. The top left has 4 open cells, as you can see. These are called free cells. And the top right has 4 cells as well. These are called foundation cells. The point of the game is to get all of the cards into the foundation cells in a way that mimics what you would do in solitaire. And if you're not familiar with that, you must start with the ace on each of the 4 open cells and build up with consecutive cards of the same suit until you get up to the king of each suit, and at that point you win the game. So as far as gameplay goes, we can move cards from one column by clicking on it to another. To move to another column, the card on the top of the column you move to must be 1 number higher and of a different color. So you can see the 7 of clubs cannot be moved to the 3 of spades. If you click anywhere but where a valid move would be, the highlight becomes unselected. If we try to move the 7 of clubs to a different color and 1 number higher, like right here, that can be done. And if we want to get to a card that is under the top card of a column, we can move a card like this 9 of diamonds up to a free cell up here. That'll reveal this ace. The ace can then be moved up to a foundation cell and start a foundation. And like I said, you can build a 2 of spades on top of that, all the way up to the king of spades. If we want to move a column of cards, like this 8 here and a 7 here, we can do that because the numbers are consecutive and the colors are alternating. If we had a black 9 available, we could move this pile here onto the black 9. And there is a restriction on the number of cards in a pile that you can move, and this restriction is based on the number of free cells you have up here in the top left. At this point we have 3 cells, which means we can move a stack of 4. If we had another card up here in the free cells, we could move a stack of 3. So the number of cards in a stack you can move is the number of free cells plus 1. And again, once we get all of the cards up into this region here, we win the game. And we can exit this by hitting the home button, and we get back to the main Android screen.
Yeah, show moving multiple cards.
Okay. Yeah, let's get back. Okay, so we'll show an example of moving multiple cards. If we put this 5 up here, 10, see if we can find a good one.
Oh yeah, put the 10, then move the other 10, and then the jack on the queen.
Okay. So we have 2 free spaces here, so we can move a pile of up to 3 cards. So if we move these 2 onto this queen here, that's an acceptable move.
I guess show the 10 of spades on the jack of hearts.
Can move from free cells down to a valid column.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Thank you.